Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine and you are safe wherever you are. So I hope you have seen all my previous videos and uh, hope you are learning from that videos. Since nowadays learning management system and e-learning are booming, so it's very necessary to we keep studying. So in today's video we are going to see how we can delete category. In previous videos we have seen about how to install themes, how to uninstall themes, how to change themes, and how to create categories and how to edit them, etc. So for all those previous videos I'll be sharing a link in the description, so you can go through that and you can ask me if questions if you have any. So let's get back to our today's topic, that is how to delete the category. So for that you have to click on site administration, then you have to go to your courses, then manage courses and categories. Now there are two aspects of deleting category. So one is if you have any course already associated to a category, just like we have this miscellaneous category which is a by default category of our instance. It has two courses and other categories that we create manually. So suppose if you create a category by mistake and if you want to delete it and it does not have any course, then it shouldn't be any problem. You can just delete it without any complication. So for that you have to click the cogwheel, as I am pointing it here. You have to click on this cogwheel. It will give you few options. You can see like edit option, create new subcategory, delete, etc. We will see all the options later. So here we'll select delete. So if there are no courses available, it will give you this category is empty, not an issue, delete all, and this cannot be undone. So we can delete this category without any issues. So I'll go ahead and I'll delete it. So to confirm that we have deleted our category, say continue. It will take us back to this page, manage courses and category. Here you can see that we have deleted the category named as category 1. Now the second aspect which is quite complicated, if you have courses associated with the category but you still want to delete that category and move courses to different category, in that scenario what one should do? In that scenario one should select delete again. It will ask you whether you want to move your courses to some other categories. So currently we have only one category, category 2, that is why it is displayed here. If we have n number of categories, it will display in the same list. So what you can do, you can move the courses to any category you wish, or you can delete the courses. If those courses are of no use, you can delete them or you can move to some other categories. What we'll do to test this functionality, we'll move the courses associated to miscellaneous category to category 2 and we'll delete miscellaneous category simultaneously. Here I have selected this option, move content to another category. I have selected my category. I'll go ahead and I'll say delete. So here you can see this 3 green. That means courses are moved out from miscellaneous, moved questions and questions from categories miscellaneous to category 2, and simultaneously it has deleted the miscellaneous category. We will verify this once we press this continue. So you can see that category 2 was not having any course before, now it has this course 2. So our courses are on the right hand side and our categories on the left hand side.